If your Switch is acting up with ghost inputs or keeps showing disconnected controllers, it's likely because it's paired with old or unused controllers. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove them properly so your system stays clean and responsive. So let's get going. Step 1. Go to Controllers menu. From the home screen, select the controllers icon at the bottom. This opens a list of all controllers that have been paired to your Switch. Step 2. Check connected devices. Here you'll see the active and inactive controllers. Old or unused ones may show as not connected. These can still interfere with pairing or connection settings. Step 3. Navigate to System Settings. Go back to home screen and open System Settings. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom and find Disconnect Controllers and press on it. Now you'll get a warning. Read it. Then press and hold the X button to continue. Now detach any Joy-Cons that are currently attached to the system. Then follow the on-screen instructions to choose which controllers to remove. This will unpair them from the system completely. And that's it. You've now cleaned up your controller list and reduced possible pairing issues. If this video helps you out, then give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Nintendo Switch tips and fixes. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.